How's everybody doing? This is Neff with Nocturnallabs. My daughter is not here at the moment. She's at the mall, spending money as always. But check this out. We haven't made a video in a couple of weeks, but as most of you guys know, we were moving, from Florida to Texas trip, which is pretty long. It was 1,000-something miles. We did it in 3 days. But when we moved here, we didn't get the house instantly. We had to wait a week and a half, so we had to download everything from the truck to storage. And once we got the house, we had to go back to the storage, get all the stuff on the truck, and then download it into the house. So as you guys can imagine, we still have a mess in this garage. But we're gonna give you guys a quick tour of how the setup's going so far, what we're actually trying to do, because now we have 2-car garage instead of a 1-car garage, so we're trying to make stations. But let me show you guys what we have so far. Follow along. So from the first part, we have our detailing station almost complete. Got all our detailing liquids and chemicals and all that stuff. And by the way, if you guys didn't know, I'm a big chemical guys type of dude, so most of my stuff is chemical guys. I got most other stuff in the garage too. They have good stuff. So as you can see, it's still messy, but little by little we're gonna get to where we need to go. We have our press for kydex work and stuff like that, which is not going to be on this table, but it's going to be set up at a different table. And for all our detailing stuff, we got the extractor. A nice little extractor, works perfect. We got our little steam cleaner, which works perfect. Our pressure washer, so everything works pretty good. And I'm trying to keep everything here so I don't have to go all around the garage trying to find what I need. So as we move along, there's our welding machines already on their carts and everything. We still haven't welded, but once we get set up and get our welding table situated, we'll start doing more welding videos. Barber chair, still not set up. But you guys know, here's a sneak peek of everything that I still got to get out of this garage and set up. So as you can see, it's a way bigger setup that we had before, but we still have a lot of stuff that we got to get rid of and put where it belongs. So we have all our leather work still all in these tough boxes. We will be doing leather sheaths and stuff for the knives. We have our grinders still in boxes because we haven't had time to mess with those, but we'll definitely be getting there. And on this side, by the way, that's me back in the days when I was active duty. So in the meantime, we have our arbor presses, for most of the leather work and stuff we do. Here's a little piece of the Frankenstein grinder. I still have to find the box where the rest of the stuff is at so we can get it set. That goes to the kydex press. That's the actual where we heat up the kydex and stuff so we can get it to the shape we want. And this mess here, as you guys remember from the old videos, it made it, but I had to straighten some things out and stuff. So I mean, we're getting there. Here's some leather work that I still have from when I was doing the leather, which, I mean, pretty nice, man. I like doing all this type of leather stuff. So we'll have that taken care of. We'll have a station set up and get all this mess out the way, and hopefully we'll be making a lot more videos. Toolbox, boom, sucker was heavy. Next time I move, I might sell this one and get me 2 smaller ones which are easier to carry. So this one destroyed me. So that's it, fellas. That's all we got for right now. We'll be still working here in the garage. I'm trying to, you know, I get anxious, so I'm trying to get everything squared away as quick as I can. But that's all we have for right now. As we keep setting up, we will definitely make a few more videos so you guys can see. Like this setup here, man, I like it. I like it. Everything is accessible. You don't have to go crazy trying to find what you need, because it's all in one place. Which back at the other place we lived at, we had all this in boxes because we didn't have enough room. But here it's a different story. So hopefully we'll be set up within the next 2 weeks. Some of my signs are already on the walls. So we'll definitely have something really nice. So we had that little short video so you guys could see what we got going on. I mean, we're not quitting on making videos and stuff. So we just been a little setback because of the move. But hopefully soon we will start making more. Oh, wait a minute, before I go. We actually we found some 4-wheelers that we went to go look at. So if everything goes the way we're planning, we're about to have some 4-wheelers on here too. So you guys stay tuned. Again, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and follow for more videos. Peace.